On Capitol Hill, Republican lawmakers lashed out today at the Fairfax County Commonwealth attorney and sheriff. GOP members say prosecutor Steve Descano, his policies allow dangerous undocumented immigrants back out onto the streets.
Yeah, the hearing focused on the February stabbing death of Stephanie Minter. She was allegedly killed by an undocumented man who'd been arrested many times before. Our Northern Virginia Bureau Chief Julie Carey was there.
At the center of the room, Cheryl Minter, whose daughter Stephanie was stabbed to death in February, an undocumented man with a long history of arrests charged with the killing. Republicans accusing Commonwealth's attorney Steve Descano of failing to keep Abdul Jallow behind bars, blaming Descano for the murder.
Mr. Descano, I consider you a disgrace.
Descano, in his opening statement, apologizing for the first time to the victim's mother.
Ms. Minter, I am deeply sorry for your loss.
But Descano pushing back again and again on the accusation that his policies favor undocumented immigrants, accusing Republicans of a false narrative.
Let me be absolutely clear. My office does not provide sanctuary or safe harbor to undocumented immigrants.
A tearful Cheryl Minter speaking as her daughter's photos played on the screen, making it clear she sees Fairfax County's policies differently.
But I should not have to carry this pain because of a preventable failure.
Republican congressmen continuing their attacks.
I heard your apology, Mr. Descano. I think the public would like to hear your resignation.
Republicans also grilling Descano about a case first spotlighted by News 4. Hiram Bacadano Rodriguez was arrested for breaking into an apartment and trying to abduct a 4-year-old girl. Descano's office agreed to a plea deal rejected by 2 judges.
You know why he rejected it?
Sir,
he saw what you should have seen. He cited overwhelming evidence.
So can we talk about the evidence,
this person was a threat?
I know it and you don't.
Quit talking.
And I would love to tell you about
this person was a threat.
Sheriff Stacey Kincaid facing less fire. She and committee Democrats pointing out that ICE had accused killer Jallow in custody for nearly 2 years, but failed to deport him.
It is simply not the job of the Fairfax County Sheriff's Office to engage in federal immigration enforcement.
Democratic Congressman Jamie Raskin putting the blame on ICE and the failure to enact comprehensive immigration reform.
Why wasn't he removed by ICE? They're the only ones who've got the power to kick him out of the country.
Descano and Kincaid also getting support from nearly 100 Fairfax County immigration advocates who lined the hallway before the hearing wearing Fairfax Strong stickers. After it all, Cheryl Minter holding her daughter's Bible, wondering if the hearing accomplished anything.
I'm not quite sure what was accomplished today. It was very much political, and it looked like one side trying to bash the other side, trying to bash the other side, and fighting for 2 different policies.
Today's hearing, though, is not the end for Commonwealth's attorney Steve Descano, still pending a just-opened Department of Justice investigation into whether his office is discriminating in favor of undocumented immigrants. On Capitol Hill, I'm Julie Carey, News 4.